Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at some call options for a few stocks. The market is in upswing last week, so hopefully if it holds up, these stocks like NIO, Workhorse, AMD, Tesla, and Apple, they can rally a little bit higher from here. So let's look at a few options for these stocks. My objective of this video is give you as actionable information as possible in a short span of time. So without any further delay, let's get started. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the informations are recorded out there and tracked there, so you can refer it whenever you want. Please check out all our social media sites for the alerts, and we love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to now subscribe to the channel if you haven't got a chance to do so. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this line, many stocks and indices in coming days, so you will get the alerts right away. So the first stock that we are going to look at is NIO. It is added to the tracker back in July 31st when it was trading around $11.94, and as of today it's closed well over $21, and it's posting almost 79% gain since then. So let's look at the call for this guy. And I will put the tracker link in the description section of the videos, so you can refer it whenever you want. This tracker will get updated at the end of the day with stock closing price, so you and me can measure the performance of these stocks. So I'll be still looking at the November call for this guy. So you can look at November 20th, and I will go with the 23 or 24. I do not go any beyond that. It's trading around $2.25, and if you look at the graph here, it's almost coming to the closer to the bottom. So if it comes closer to $2, that would be great in coming days. That's where its support is. So you can look at the $2 for it until you can wait, or you can start with a small pallet buy. But I'll be looking at November $23 call, or November 20th $24 call, and 25 is kind of steep. It can get there, but no, I really stick with 23 or 24. And the next stock we are going to look at is Workhorse. It's added to the tracker back in middle of August when it was trading around $15.61, and as of today it's closed well over $26.77 and posting almost 70 or 75% gain after it's retraced back. So let's look at this chart and see what kind of call it offers. So for this call stock, I'll be looking at November. Still November, it's reasonably notchable in November. So November, I'll be going with $30 or $31 call, and they rallied quite a bit last week, and now it's came to the bottom. They're trying to stabilize. So probably this stock might be now worth looking at it. So I'll be looking at the November $30 call, or November 31st $31 call, and if it comes down a little bit around $4 price range, that will be great, or it can rally from here. So that is your right there, the shaded is your on the money when it hits there. So it is relatively reasonably achievable. It's already priced to the $30, so I would go with 30 or 31, and 32 it can go, but let's stick with 30 or 31. And if they came down like $4 or $3.50 or something like that, it will be still attractive, so you can keep an eye on it. So the next stock we're going to look at is AMD. It is added to the tracker back in 323 when that COVID correction took place. It was trading around $41, and as of today it's closed well over $93 and posting almost 100% gain. And this stock's offered many secondary entry point along the way, and one on set up on 29th. And so let's look at this chart and see why it's offering a call entry at this time. So for this stock, I will go with still November $90 call, and it came down quite a bit on Friday. I think there was a bad news that they're taking over another company, so I don't think so it's going to be a huge deal given the amount of time it's given, and hopefully it can calm down the market and can rally from this point onwards. So let's see. So I will be going with the $4.20 trading around. It's almost bottoming out, so I'll be looking at November 90 call for this stock at this time. The next stock I'll be looking at is Apple. It is added to the tracker again in middle of March when it was trading around $61, and as of today it's closed around $116. The $61 is pretty much split adjusted price, so you know that. So it almost posted 90% gain. It was rallied quite a bit before, but it came down. So let's look at it also offered many secondary entry point along the way, and the last one was on September 28th. So let's look at this chart and see why it's offering another call entry at this time. So I'll be looking at the November $125 call. That is the one we'll be looking at it. You can go below than that, but I will go with the November 21 call. It's trading around $3.75. At its peak, it was almost trading around $20, and it came down quite a bit, and the IV got crashed quite a bit. So as of now, it looks bottomed out. So you can look at November 20 call, and it is trading around $3.75, and it's almost at the bottom of this stuff. So this is a very liquid option. So you can look at this 125 call for November 20th. And the next one is the Tesla, the good old Tesla. I did a separate video yesterday, so if you want to take a look at deep dive on this stock, you can look at that video. But it's almost posting 400% gain since it's added to the tracker on 323 when it was trading around $86.86, and as of today, it's closed well over 434. And if you come down, it offered quite a bit secondary entry point. One is on the last week. So let's look at a call for this guy. I would go with the November 450 call, which is reasonable. It was trading around $40 or something like that. It came down quite a bit, so I think it's reasonably priced. So the stock rallied that 450 level in a reasonable period. Hopefully, this before the earnings is hit there. The chart looks rock solid for me. So let's look at now. You can look at number 450 call, and the IV came down quite a bit on this stock as well. So I believe it's giving an attractive entry point at this price level. If it comes down a little bit, which is not good for this stock, hope it won't come down. But if it comes down, you have to wait for this to reach this price level. I don't buy it at the lower price because there is no reason for this stock to go down any lower than this. If it goes down, it's really showing a weakness, so don't get on it. So as long as it's traded around this $38 to $40 range, you can consider getting in this stock. Okay guys, these are the 5 calls I want to cover in this video. Please check out the website for all the information. All the trackers are there. You can track the stock day in, day out. That will get updated at the end of the day, so we can measure the performance. Please check out all our social media sites, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. And as the market is getting into the peak, and do not expect your options double or triple at this time. So as long as it's making 30 to 40% gain, you should be very happy with it. So I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, enjoy rest of the weekend.